Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of NeoCube Omega set, and I just want to say thank you to the people at NeoCube for sending me this review set. And if you guys subscribed, this is going to be given away to a lucky subscriber, and there's going to be more giveaways in the near future, so click that subscribe button and you will receive. You're going to get it in good condition. They did a good job on packing it. And the box they give you is actually pretty nice. It's a black velvet box. Then when you open it up, you can see they cut out the foam perfectly. There's the Omega set for one lucky viewer. And they give you a spare 3x3. But here you go. And then, oh, look at this. Inside here, they give you some little instructions and a little warning slip. Oh, and then there's some more stuff in here as well. So they give you a pretty big carrying case, so the cube fits in there perfectly. So there it is. The Omega NeoCube set. That's what you get right there. Nice box. Good hinge. It's kind of like a jewelry box actually. So it'll keep your dots really safe. Subscribe to win this, guys. Take care.